Hello dear students, welcome you all to this video. So today we'll learn the multiplication of monomial with polynomial, and I have taken some questions from exercise 9.3 NCERT class 8. Of course, this is in every class, this multiplication from class 7 onwards. So by doing the questions, we'll learn the multiplication. Just follow how I am doing. So first you will write your carry out this multiplication of the expression each of the following pairs. So there are 5 parts. So first part is 4p multiplied by q plus r. So I'll advise to write the monomial first, then you put the polynomial within the bracket. Then go on multiplying one by one. So 4p multiplies q, one term. In between there is a positive, so you'll write positive 4p multiplies r. Then the result is 4pq plus 4pr. So this is the answer of this question. Now coming to second part. Second part will be same AB written first, then I'll put A minus B in the bracket. So one by one I'll multiply AB with A, first term, subtraction AB into B. Then AB into B, so when I'll multiply A into A gives you A square. Powers are added, A1, 1 makes you 2. So A into A square, 1B. And in the second term, there are 2B. So it gives you B square, B square. And in between there is a subtraction. So put a subtraction, put a subtraction. This should be taken care. Now third one, 7B square, A square. I will multiply with A plus B. So 7B square, A square, multiply by A, and in between there a positive sign, so 7b square a square multiplied by b. So go on simplifying. Here a square and a, so there will be 3 powers, a square and power 2 power 1, so makes you 3. So 7b square a cube plus, here what will be added? B square and B power 2 and 1 will be added. So 7a square B cube. So this is the answer. Coming to fourth one, 4a will be written first. Then I'll go for the polynomial a square minus 9. Then 4a multiplies a square minus 4a multiplies your 9. 4a into a square gives you 4a cube, and 9 into 4 36a. And here what is the fifth part? pq plus qr plus rp multiplies by 0. This gives you simple 0, because 0 multiplied by anything is 0. Second one is your complete the table. There are multiplication, you have to find the product. So A will be multiplied with B plus C plus D. So A multiplied by B, AB. Then next is plus, I'll write plus. A is again multiplied by C, so AC. Next is plus A multiplied by D, so it will gives you AD. Second one, here is the monomial, so I'll go one by one. From here also I can start x into 5xy. X into 5, I'm writing here x into 5xy. This gives you 5, how many x square y. So first is 5x square y. Come to second one, there is a positive sign, so put a plus. Then y will be multiplied. So y multiplied by 5xy. 5 is the number. How many y? X. How many y? 2y's. Y square. Then coming to third one. So it will be simple. Minus 5 into 5. 25 and xy. Now coming to third one. p into p6p square. P into 6p square gives you 6p cube. 1, 2 gives 3. So 6p cube. Then there is a negative sign. Put a negative sign. Then p into 7p. P into 7p. How much? 7p square. So it will be 7p square. Next there is a positive sign. I'll write positive. P multiplied by 5. 5p. Now coming to fourth one. 4p square into p square. 4p square into p square. So 4p square p square power will be added to give you p power 4. So 4 power p power 4. Next 4p, but there is a q square here. So I'll write q square also. Next coming to, this will be 4p square q square multiplied by q square. So q will be 4 and between there is a negative sign. So take care. 4p square q 4. Now coming to last one. ABC, A multiplied by ABC. A multiplied by ABC. How much? A will be square BC. A square BC. Next is B multiplied by ABC. So this will be A B square C. C multiplied by ABC. It will gives you ABC square, and in between so all positive. So no problem, I'll write all positive. I hope you have understood. Next is question number 3. Question number 3 is there are 3-4 parts. We'll go one by one. So here, what is the concept? Concept is when exponential are multiplied, they are same base, these powers are added. So here a m plus n. For example, if I'll multiply a 3 multiplies a 2, so it will gives you a 3 plus 2, this will be 5. So if there will be many expression, you will add many powers. So here in the a, how many powers are there? For first it is 2, for second it is 22, and for third it is 26. So I'll all add them. So it will be a 22 plus 2 24, 24 plus 2 50. So a to the power 50. Now let us come to second part. So first you will multiply the numbers 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 10. Then you will multiply all x together. Then you will multiply all y together. So simplify the number 3 times, 2 5 times. So you are getting minus 3 upon 5. There is a negative sign because there is one minus. Then you combine these two. This gives you x cube. You must have understood by now. This will gives you y cube. So this is the answer. Then third part. It's the same thing, minus 10 by 3 pq cube, 6 by 5 pq key. So I'll write all the numbers first. Then I'll get all p. Then I'll get all q. So simplify 3 2 times, 6 and 5 2 times. So it will give you minus 4. So how many p? 4. P4 because it has power 1, they will be added. Here also this gives you Q4. Now coming to fourth part. How many x are there? X means x is power 1. So add all the powers. Power 2, power 3, power 4. So it gives you how much? X to the power 10. X to the power 10. Next, question number 4. Simplify. 3x multiplies 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find the value when x is equal to 3. Find this value when x is equal to half. So first you simplify the result 3x. Here it is nothing means understood, it is multiplication. 4x minus 5 plus 3. So what is the result? 3x into 4x, 1 minus 3x into 5 plus 3. 3 into 4 gives you 12 x square minus 15x plus 3. So this is the simplified result of this. Next I will go for x is equal to 3. What will be the value of this? So in place of x, I'll put 3. Putting x is equal to 3 in 12x square minus 15x plus 3, I will get 12 into 3 square. In place of x, I am putting 3 minus 15 into 3 plus 3. So 3 square is 9. 12 into 9 minus 15 into 3, 45 plus 3. 12 9 times 108 minus 45 plus 3. So this gives you 66. Next, second part is put x is equal to half. We'll put in the same expression, putting in your 12x square minus 15x plus 3. I'll get 12 into half square minus 15 into half plus 3. So 12 into half square is half into half. Half into half is 1 by 4. Half multiplies half. 1 by 4. Minus this gives you 15 by 2 plus 3. 4 3 times. So 3 plus 3 minus 15 by 2. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 minus 15 by 2. Simplify with the LCM. It will be 12. 2 6 times 12 by 15. LCM is 2. You are getting minus 3 by 2 answer. Question number 5. Now add P into P plus Q. Here P into. Then add Q into Q plus R. Then add R into R plus P. So P multiplies P minus Q, one term. Addition Q into Q minus R. Second term. Addition, third term is R into R minus P. So we'll go on multiplying P into P minus P into Q plus Q into Q minus Q into R plus R into R minus R into P. So P into P square minus P cube plus Q square minus Q R plus R square minus RP. So this is the answer. You can arrange it little bit. Minus PQ minus QR minus RP. Answer. B. Add this and this. That means here there are two multiplication. It is hidden and you will add it. So you will write 2x multiply z minus x minus y plus 2y into z minus y minus x. So go on multiplying 1 by 1, 2x into z. Then minus 2x multiplied your x. Then again subtraction 2x into y. So take care of the sign very well because That is the algebraic expression. Sometimes when sign is not correct, it makes wrong. So plus 2y into z minus 2y into y minus 2y into x. So this will be 2xz minus 2x square minus 2xy plus 2yz minus 2y square. This will give you minus 2y square minus 2yx. So this is the answer. I can take all positive first, 2xy, other were all positive, plus 2yz, and you will see there are 2xy minus 2xy, all are similar term. So I'll write minus 4xy, then your minus 2x square minus 2y square. This is the answer. Then part C, subtract 3l minus 4m plus 5n from 4l into 10n minus 3m plus minus 2l. So let me write the result first, then we'll subtract. So 3l multiplies l minus 4m plus 5n. If we'll multiply, the result will be 3l into l minus 3l into 4m plus 3l into 5n. So there are three terms. So this gives you 3l square minus 12lm plus 15ln. This is the first term. Then I am coming to second, this one. 4l into 10n minus 3m plus 2l. How much? It will be 4l into 10n minus 4l into 3m plus 4l into 2l. First gives you 40 ln. Second is gives you 12 lm. 4 3s are 12 lm. And here it gives you 8l square. Next, I'll write this term as first, because from this I'll subtract this one. So first I'll write 8l square plus 14lm minus 12lm, subtraction. I'll put a bracket because I'm subtracting. All the sign of the terms which will be subtracted will be changed. That's why I'm putting a bracket. Then it will be 8l square plus 40lm minus 12lm minus 3l square. Minus 12m will become positive 12lm, and 15 will become negative minus 15ln. Next I'll go for similar terms, 8l square minus 3l square. I'll take them together. Then plus 40lm minus 15ln. Then minus 12ln m plus 12ln. So how much will be this? This will be 5l square. Next, how much will be this? This will be 40 minus 15, 25 ln. And what will be lm? They will be cancelled. So this is the answer. D. Subtract 3a plus b plus c minus this from this. So let me simplify first this term. This will be subtracted from this. So first is 3a into a plus b plus c minus 2b multiplies a minus b plus c. is equal to 3a into a, 3a square, 3a into b, 3ab, 3a into c, 3ac. Subtraction. It will be how much? 2b into a minus 2ab minus 2b into minus b minus 2b into minus b. This gives you plus 2b square. Plus 2b square. Then 2b into c minus 2b multiply c. This gives you minus 2bc. So 3a square plus 2b square, then your minus 3ab minus plus 3ab minus 2ab. This gives you 3 minus 2ab. That will be only 1ab. Then others are not similar, so let this be as it is. Then I'll go for last one. For c minus a plus b plus c. So go on multiplying. This will be negative minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square. Now I'll subtract minus 4bc. Sorry for the phone call. Subtraction 3a square plus 2b square plus ab plus 3ac minus 2b. When I'll subtract, I'll change the sign. 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square minus 3a square minus 2b square minus ab minus 3ac plus 2b. Now what is the result? Result will be minus 4ac minus 3ac minus 7ac. So there is no more similar term. So we'll write as it is. So this will be 4bc, 4c square minus 3a square minus 2b square minus ab then plus 2b. So this is your answer. Oh, it was 2bc. Three a square, 2b square, ab 3b minus 2b. Where is 2b? It was 2b square plus 2b 3b square 2bc it was. So there is a mistake. So carry on 2bc. This will be 2bc. This will be 2bc. Then I'll take another step. 4bc plus 2bc. It will be 6bc plus 6bc plus 4c square minus 3a square minus 2b square minus ab. You must have noticed sometimes we make mistake if you won't be careful. So it was minus 2bc. I wrongly wrote it b. So it will be minus 2bc plus 2bc, 2bc, 2bc. So this is the answer. It will be continued. So keep on watching. Polynomial with polynomial. Next time we will multiply and we will learn identities also. So thank you for watching. Till then, be happy and have a good time ahead. Thank you.